2, 1.
Well, this is a very special day, which we've been looking forward to for over 1 year. It's the reopening of Pohick Regional Library here in the Burke community. It's Saturday. We have a lot of people here. We have a lot of events planned for the day, and we are very excited. We've had a lot of feedback from our public already about the beautiful new Pohick Library. It's been a about 14-month process. We have developed a new teen center here at the library that has gaming in it. We have a beautiful kids area with bright new furniture, beautiful new open wide vista area here. When you come in the library, there's a lot of pop and wow. I look forward to everyone coming and seeing their reaction to this library. This is one of the busiest branches in the Fairfax County Library System. We do a heavy load of children's programming here, but also a lot of adult and tech programming. Pohick Library does tech services every week, and we're planning on acquiring a 3D printer in the very near future to assist our community in learning how to use this new technology. We also support schools heavily here. This is a heavy school use community, and we are prepared for that in all sorts of ways. We have set aside study areas for that. We have recreation areas for that. I can't wait to show you.
My favorite books are graphic novels like Geronimo Stilton and Thea Stilton.
So I'm in science, and I could look up a lot of science books about molecules.
Well, I can come here and do homework, which is really nice because they're cool desks. And the books here are really helpful too.
And we loved it. It was like so open. There were like iPads on the wall where you could look for catalogs. My daughter loves that because she's looking for a book, and then instead of going to a catalog counter and then going to look for it, she can just look right on the stacks and find the books. And I liked how they're like places where you can like sit and read and like be cozy, and there were all the new books, so that was really nice. We got all the new books that we were looking for. So we love it. It's one of our favorite libraries in the area.
So I hope you can come out to Pohick Library at 6450 Side and Stricker Road and come see us real soon. You can find out lots of information about Pohick Library and Fairfax County Libraries at www.fairfaxcounty.gov/libraries. Come on down.